لږ شانته کې باران وشو، ځمکه یې لمده کړه او بېرته هر څه ختم. هوا ته ګورئ، وریځې دي او امید دی شپې ته بیا باران وشي. weather forecast for today, hope that it rains more. او لږ مر شانته کې هم ښکاري او باقي ټول بادلې دي. It's all cloudy, hope that it rains. So today it's raining in Peshawar. As you can see that it's raining quite like the way you're seeing it, and it's a lovely weather down here in Peshawar. Hope that you guys are fine and have a nice day. So guys, the تاسو څنګه چې ګورئ باران دی پېښور کې او نرۍ نرۍ وریږي، ډېر ښکلی موسم یې جوړ کړی دی او دا ټول حیدرآباد دی. ښکلی نرۍ نرۍ غونته کې باران شروع دی. دا وګورئ ښکلی شان باران دی چې هر چېرته یاستئ. hope چې هلته هم باراني او هوا ښه. Please like or subscribe guys. So guys, we got some chicken and fish fillets. Now how I made this is that I've got some boneless chicken as well as some fish fillets, 3 pieces. So I just put some garlic powder, some garlic, sprinkles of garlic, and red pepper, some salts, and that's about it. Now what I'm going to do is that it's done now. For 2-3 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pan that I have. Now I'm going to so first of all we put the chicken, and here it goes. So this is our chicken, it's cooked. Now in the pan or the fish fillets down in my touch. Voila guys, finished.